What up? What it is? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Allison. Welcome. A Doggalicious. Hey you. That girl. That's me. And I'm here today to do Beautylish LuckyBag unboxing. This would be the third one that I've done, and I have mixed feelings about this. To be quite honest, this is the second time I've filmed this. My camera and memory card did me so dirty just now. This ought to be interesting. First time I did a LuckyBag, it was interesting. It was fun. I was naive. It was a somewhat good bag. Last year, however, was crazy. I got an ABH palette. I got Benefit mascara. I mean, while it might be exciting to some people, I was so sad, to say the least. So, when I was recording earlier, I opened my box. I pulled a little bit of tissue out, which is what my dog is sitting on right now. That was perfect on cue. And I pulled one item out. So, I'm going to show you what it is, and then we're going to kind of pick up from there. So, everything came in a bubble wrap pouch together, and I have it set up to where I can just like grab bag, pull things out. But right off the bat, I'll show you the first thing that I got. It was this, the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. I'm sorry, I can't even fake being surprised. I don't know what else is in the box. The first time my camera just gave out, I closed it like a nutcase. So we can do a total of what we got. So, let's carry on. Okay. So I've got this pouch set up like this. And I can pull things out. And there's another box. Oh, baby Jesus. This is like a BoxyCharm brand now, in my opinion. So this is Pharmacy the Bright On Massage Activated Vitamin C Mask. Come on. I feel like I've seen this on sale, and I feel like I've seen this in a BoxyCharm. I feel like it has. So, that's not cool. Man, my last box pissed me off, so this one I'm just like, what's next? What the fuck is next? Alright, I feel another box. Stop. This is Cover Effects Glitter Drops. See, the thing that I always loved about Beautylish LuckyBags is that they're just like epicure brands, just luxury goods. Not this. You can't even sell this like on Mercari. Ain't nobody want to buy this nonsense. It's a pretty color, but like, come on now. I'm an adult. Why did I smell it? My first BoxyCharm, I got a By Terry Lip Velvet. That's like $47 just lipstick. Like, this is not the same thing. Fuck. Why do I torture myself like this? Why do I torture myself like this? Why do I torture myself like this? I don't travel. I'm a poor white girl. And now I have a faux fur brush roll. First of all, I can see the fuzz flying off in the air. It's magnetic. It looks like it's like alive in some way. She cute, but like, can I make this into a pillow? I can put pens and pencils in it. Ain't nobody gonna want to buy this either. How am I gonna get rid of this? Interesting. Ooh. Okay, here's a smidgen of redemption. I got a Sonia G brush. Hooray! I don't have this brush. I have a blender brush. This is the Worker 3. Oh, I'm so excited to have another one of her brushes. Smidgen of redemption. Oh, did I tell you how much I paid for all of this? So, LuckyBag is 75 bucks and plus tax, plus shipping. So it was like $97 total. Alright, I have a square. Oh. This is Charlotte Tilbury. Luxury palette of pops. Is this a quad I may never use? Celestial Eyes. Blind you. Shall we swatch? I'm like all quiet now. I'm like, ooh. I don't have any Charlotte Tilbury eye products. I have a few of her products, and I do like them. That's all she wrote, folks. How we feeling? Alright, let's clear the counter. Let's clear our minds. Let's recap. I've got an eyeshadow quad, because you can't call it a palette. I got a darling brush, which I'm excited about. I got a Furby. I've got a face mask. I've got a bottle of glitter. I've got Good Molecules. So, damn. F me with this whole LuckyBag situation. Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Hallelujah. So, right off the bat, I'm just gonna flat out say it. This is something that I desperately do not want and will be getting rid of. The Furby, I don't fucking need. Period. 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 That's a bummer. Face mask, I mean, I got face mask. I'll try it. And I'll give this a shot. But I also feel like these things are like cheap. Like inexpensive. Company write-offs. Like, you know what I mean? Just like, right. And then these two things. This I'm excited about. Awesome possum. If this brush was $97, I'd be like, look, I got my money's worth. You know, 10 out of 10. Would recommend. And then this actually compared to the other palettes that I've seen like in stores, this feels kind of cheap. Like fairly cheap packaging. Which is a little weird. And I know this is like a holiday product, but and I know it's not meant to be like super intense, super pigmented, like mind-blowingly. It's more that sophisticated glow, that sophisticated sparkle. But I also have things like this. This is that Makeup Forever glitter palette. Ugh, if you didn't get this, you missed out. There's like a lot of dupes automatically in here. I'm gonna keep it and play with it and be a good person. I do like it. I think it's cute. I ain't mad at it. I'm mad at everything else. I'm mad at myself more than anything, TBH. Super mad. Jesus. Do me a favor and please give this video a thumbs up, a like. Please, 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 just for my own like sanity of dealing with this sitch. Will this be my last Beautylish bag? I don't know. Apparently I'm addicted to like torturing myself here. Will I continue to do so? Probably. It's only once a year. It's $100 down the drain. I'll see you next year with this unboxing situation. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. While you're here, if you've made it this far, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Just for dealing with this. It would be great. let me know if you got Beautylish LuckyBag. What did you get? Did you make a video? Comment below. I want to see it. I want to know. Do you like this? Do you want this? Let me know. Comment down below. Let's talk about it. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.